All right, let's do it. Monday morning fabrics. This is exciting. So I put up some gray tones. We're seeing a lot of charcoal gray. It's called dull gold gray, but it's really a charcoal. And so I put in a bunch of coordinates that would look great with it. And then also considering the POM. This would be a great blouse fabric. This is a cotton poly. It's very pretty, very detailed, but I love the contrast of it. It's just a great fabric, great drape, very nice. This is a stretch woven. It's not a stretch woven. I take that back. Sorry about that. But the detail on this, I'm going to try to hold it still so that you can see it. It's an animal print, but it's a solid. It's 100% cotton. Be a great jacket. Beautiful pants. Chic dress. Any of those things would just be really super nice. Also, it would make the top. It would easily. It's light enough. It's a 3 ounce, but it's got a good enough drape that it would do both. And then, of course, to bring this into any of these fabrics would be just amazing. This is 100% viscose, has stretch in both directions, and it's just a really super print. It's a solid and yet a print at the same time. This is a textured, love this fabric. Just love the texture in that and the different ways. It's kind of a Pontoroma weight. It is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. Super little jacket, like a 922. There's just so many great little jackets. A jean jacket would be really cute. Just a great little pop of color here. And then this is Balenciaga. This is a boiled wool. Yeah, beautiful piece, again, for a cape. Just incredible for a cape. And of course, with a boiled wool, with a cape, period, you always want a coordinating to go with it. And so this is Hermes, and it's 100% cotton. It's a cotton knit, and it's that real fine rib. And we had it in the navy. For those of you who have the navy, it's just gorgeous. We sold out of the navy at full price. I expect this will do the same, but you can see that there's just a great coordination there, but all the way across the board. It just looks really super with everything. Again, this is an Hermes, 100% cotton, stretch in one direction, just a real fine little ribbing. So the goal is, as you know it, is happy sewing. When you have fabrics like this, it's hard not to have. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.